Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soft coconut candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 2/3 cups of unsweetened dried grated coconut, along with 1/2 cup each of sugar, milk, and sweetened condensed milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for flavor. A few drops of food coloring are optional for a fun pop of color. Now let's get cooking. Begin by greasing a 7-inch by 5-inch pan. This will make removing your candy much easier later. In a non-stick pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Then, add your coconut, sugar, milk, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Stir this mixture continuously for approximately 20 minutes. You'll notice it start to thicken and clump together, which is exactly what we want. The key to soft coconut candy is achieving the perfect consistency. Keep stirring constantly to ensure the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture thickens evenly. You'll know it's ready when it starts to pull away from the sides of your pan. This continuous stirring is crucial to prevent any burning and ensures a smooth, consistent texture. The entire cooking process should take about 20 minutes to reach this ideal stage. Once your coconut mixture is perfectly cooked, transfer it immediately to your greased pan and level the surface with a spatula. For a smooth finish, press down firmly with wax paper or plastic wrap. Let the candy cool for at least 30 minutes before carefully cutting it into your desired shapes. For optimal setting and texture, allow it to cool completely, ideally overnight. Store your delicious soft coconut candy in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.